All right. Good morning and welcome to Porcupine Stand here on YouTube with Selbet. Yeshia, Yababedi Kumase, Asante Kotoko, Enkomo, Yabedi Kotoko, Enkomo into details, live from our studios and here the air bro. Now, Kumase Asante Kotoko, Yami Admochina, Ejina Kono, against a RTU or Nararigu. 12 game and a basso in the dynamics of the game and how important this particular match is to Asante Kotoko. If Kotoko and me ending kunim in this particular match, and even if we end up recording a draw, we move to 44 points. Now with 44 points, this is where it gets confusing. It means that Kotoko would have to win the next game. By all means, failure to win the next game Baba Sports Stadium will mean say the relegation conversation, anything can happen. The advantage is that two teams are our teams are already relegated in the Ghana Premier League. Talk about you, no points or no way of catching up, and talk about Team FN for Aquatano. And what that means is that it's a massive advantage for Kotoko in this particular relegation conversation. I have it. Now we're going to talk about Kotoko players and one more etibas moi. Sabra no kase. They are on their way to Tamale and eventually to Nara. They're going to match in 3 p.m. Therefore, any team no any training general and the last training of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Ebra mbabe tukwan na omakwa PM ewo Nararigu na omone team wa defend out to Akwa. I'll talk about a 20-man squad, but before that, there is a good news, which is Coach Kwesiapia won the Saudi Sudan Air on Zenra or the Sudanese national team no coach Mauritania by 2-0 in the World Cup 2026 qualifier. Don't forget he is an IMC member and also the technical director of Asante Kotoko. This will lead to a different conversation another day. Say Coach Ebo World Cup qualifiers. Are you sure whether he will get more playing time to do the job for Asante Kotoko as a technical director? And would there be the need for Asante Kotoko to appoint a new technical director? Now, that will be a conversation for another day. But that's the good news aspect. But the bad news aspect is, whilst he's preparing, he's scouting on the opponent on Bono, will he have the time to help Coach Ogum and do his work as the technical director of Kumasi Asante Kotoko? And would there be the need that moving forward to next season when the qualifiers is getting tougher and tougher? No? Should Kotoko think of appointing another technical director? Should Kotoko think of appointing another technical director to assist him? So there can be one here, there can be another here, and together they can assist the technical directive of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. But like I said, that is a conversation for another day. Now, the news is quite interesting because I will share Kumasi Asante Kotoko players or Mujinemu. Clearly, we all know that Freddy Kasari cannot make this particular trip because he is with the Black Stars of Ghana. Training with Baba Sports Stadium. So Freddy Kasari was not called back. Send you see Kobo against Olympics. He stays with the Black Stars. Therefore, the two goalkeepers are making the trip is Danlad Ibrahim, and I'm describe the atmosphere of training grounds. How happy is Danlad Ibrahim and Abrantia. If any Moise Poitier, these are the two goalkeepers making the trip for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now, my main fan two of them said Nana Benyamwa. And now I catch you say no can players now no more take that out anymore or more active training. So Nana Benyamwa is not making the trip, but former West African Football Academy left back in John Tedeku Etinya returning about the team. So Tedeku, after a long break, returns to join the Asante Kotoko setup. Danlad also comes back. So Tedeku Abekan left back or Ama Brantia, your friend Nicholas Osebo Swakano. So the two left backs for this particular trip is John Tedeku and Nicholas Osebo. So right back, Emmanuel Korte had a suspension in the Kotoko game Omoboya against Olympics when Timi Am make the squad. So it was a Fuseni Sahaku and Abrante fan Samuel Asamoah. Now he returns. Emmanuel Korte returns, meaning Samuel Asamoah also goes to the bench into Asamoah and Timi Am make the squad. So it is a Fuseni Sahaku and Emmanuel Korte. Now, reason for Asamoah's absence is because he is also not 100% fit. The fitness level from enti abodo Kulibali ɔno so ntumi anka team no ho ankɔ. Now sɛ ɔba ɛyɛ centre backs now or the four in Prince Adasa as one of his centre backs ɛna ɔde aberante fɛn Yusuf Nuruddin going to play against his former club. So in this game we have Hussein Isahaku playing against his former club and Nuruddin also playing against his former club. And you know, hey, the Frioba now when you Mohammed Sharif on also ka squad no and a Justice Blay so account. So once again, Dauni Yaya did not make the squad. Now you again say if you are proud to this particular match is here, Bono. If you are coach, you know, Krabit may decide to say Dauni Yaya. Man a bit of playing time and man can squad, but Dauni is also not part of the squad. Indeed, that is the back line. Tedeku, Nicolas Osebonsu, when you Kote, now when you Hussein Sahaku, and a centre backs for Nuruddin Blay, Mohammed Sharif, and Prince Adasa. Now, let's come to the Medena. Meditu and him say, na Michael Che Jamana, Ekoye gym work together with Henry Ansu. Inti uhe chiro Samuel Asamoah Nkobi Henry Ansu also entimi ameki the squad because I know based on the ameko training grounds no okoye what we call recovery and a gym work but Wankobi Che Jamana koye gym work but the coach decided to still add him to the squad. It looks like Che is fit to travel. So in fin hono obenya Enoch Morrison maintained in the squad. One boko friendly no ebi but he's still fit to go. Eric Serge Zeze is part of the squad. The Ivorian International Aka squad no. Now when you branch friend Andrews Intimenu also part of the squad for this particular trip. Michael Che Jamana eka ho. Now when you branch friend Shadrach Ado. Now when you Babayaya also part of this particular trip. No AD from Morrison in team Michael Che Jamana. Now when you Shadrach Ado, Eric Zeze, Baba Jaja. We more any players are from the central midfield. What this means is that Mohammed Sharif Upra, you know, saying the two of them that I say he will not return and play for the team this season. You know, one count. Richmond Lamptey did not make the squad. Lamptey is still not fit. We need 100% fitness. And I'm a catcher or say na oteho about training grounds. We say coach Ogumini di nkomo bebre. But Richmond Lamptey at the end of the day not na original home also entimi and kick ball. That is the conversation around Richmond Lamptey. Indeed, that's the state. One make the squad. Now still in the middle, that means Rocky Jamana so entimi and make the squad. And based on what I saw, Musena Jamana training, he was moving up and down. Rocky Jamana training, but surprisingly, Rocky Jamana also did not make the squad. And no a free but attack no say ena etie mete ma attack no nipa mako 4 in Peter Aminu Aqua. Don't forget Steve Dese Bukwala national team. So Bukwala is not part of the team like we all know. So Benya Peter Aminu Aqua eka team no home na when you brand fan Kalu Watara or once a midweek friendly match Kotoko boy. Kalu Watara scored into Kalu Watara so eka team no ho na when you brand fan Bernard Somwa Sapon say also eka team no ho. And finally the last player count Richmond Opoku into attack no na say Georges Infegi entimi anko Tamale-Why Isaac upon Neymar also entimi anko Tamale-Why Nicholas Mensah and I'm to when himself no also gym work Nicholas Mensah so entimi anko Tamale-Why and our brand friend Julius Oforizigi and also entimi anko intimi bon moment me anko na Freddy Kasari national team Michael Che Jamanako so Freddy Kasari national team Nana Benyini Amwa is not 100% fit. Samuel Asamoah is not 100% fit. Henry Ansu is not 100% fit. Isaac Opon Enyanya full match fitness. Richmond Lamptey is nursing an injury. Georges Infegi unknown because Infegi is full training but he did not make the squad. Julius Oforizigi is unknown. Honestly, a full training but he did not make the squad. Mohammed Sharif midfielder injury. Nicholas Mensah winger injury na wenya Rocky Jamana also condition why he did not make the squad is unknown because Rocky Jamana na also a full trainer and no aid floor back. Now based on the possible lineup Don't be surprised to see Danlad Ibrahim in goal post for Asante Kotoko. The Emede 2 and Danlad Ibrahim is set to start for Asante Kotoko. Nyame admo chena yebe compare ye Manuel Korte will take over the right back position with Nicholas Osei Bonsu on the left back. Yusuf Nuruddin Justice Blay ebebo echire ene ho ena mede besi ede amamo because ene fiada game ni ochena and it's even in the morning in team memprim ho bebre emfa edini bebre metuja. Coach Ogun is part of the team. Moro Ibrahim, Wilson Asari, David Okulu na wenya Najao Isa Joba nka ho because of national team assignment. So the team is aware of how tough this particular game is because last season 2 RTU players in the Kotoko boy. It is almost relegation now. Players need to take advantage of this particular movement to go all out and make sure say they will put a top performance enough to convince Asante Kotoko management to consider them during their recruitment. Indeed, the Kotoko players need to bring their A game to beat RTU and eventually escape the relegation conversation. Same here, Kotoko ko piemu el baba ya no. Na nyam koma ediko stadium no enye relegation in komo. This is Porcupine Star. My name is Obed. Bye bye.